There was questions coming up about patina. I can't get my black patina to do this. I can't get my copper patina to do this. So the answer to it is, of course, like we've been telling you, clean that flux off the glass. Make sure it is totally clean.
It's got to be gone, y'all. So guess what? Barb's going to tell you now a great neutralizer to clean your stained glass windows.
Why don't you tell them, Ed?
I want you to tell them.
I want you to tell them. Anyway, make sure that you clean your glass really well. Do not leave your patina on overnight.
Or your flux.
Or your flux on overnight. Don't leave your flux on overnight. Clean it immediately after you solder it. And neutralize it with baking soda. After it's completely clean, neutralize it with baking soda. Rub it with water and baking soda. Rinse it, and you are good to go. Add your patina. It's going to get black. When you touch it, it immediately is going to get black.
Jet black.
That's as black as it's going to get. Leaving it overnight will not make it more black.
Only thing leaving it overnight will do is give you more of a mess to clean up. So here's my tip about soldering. If you're too tired to finish the window when you're done soldering, you're too tired to start soldering. Wait till tomorrow.
Yeah,
start fresh and do it in the steps that are required so that you don't have a big mess to clean up.
Yeah, don't not finish it. So make sure you don't leave your flux on overnight or all day. Just, clean it up, and then make sure that the patina is cleaned off after you add it to your window.
Well, think about it. We all know that bicarbonate soda, okay, will stop indigestion as well, because it neutralizes the acid in your stomach.
So it's neutralizing the acid.
You're neutralizing the acid, you're cleaning it, you're drying it off. And just a quick secret, and I've told y'all that I cannot stand copper patina. Well,
we're going to try something.
We're going to try something, and we're going to video it.
Well, let's not say we're going to do something, because we say we're going to do a lot of things that we never get. So, that's a project we might be working on.
Well, let me just tell you to ease your minds, okay?
Yeah.
Barbara's giving you the cat out of the bag right here.
What's that?
It is, because we just told you what the problem is with your patinas. Now, with your copper patina, okay, your patinas are metal oxides that are going to oxidize the solder.
Right.
50-50 solder oxidizes great, but 60-40, because it has more tin, okay? 60-40 solder has more tin. There's several reasons it's used in copper foil. This reason, number one, is you solder your work with 60-40, and then you want a copper patina. Well, you know what? If you'll clean the window, the steps we just told you, when you apply that copper patina, because you've neutralized the acid, and you're using 60-40, which means there's 60% tin, the metal oxides in your patina are going to oxidize the tin. So your copper patina is actually going to be copper rather than pink. Try it out, because it works.